Hey guys, my name is Julia, I'm a painter and 3D artist, and welcome back to my channel. I have visited one interesting place, and if you are following me on Instagram, you know about it. A few weeks ago I visited one beautiful museum. It was a fun trip. Today I will model a real object. I made some photos and videos before I started working on this video. These are photos from this beautiful place, this museum. Today I'm gonna show you how to work with real reference and with real image. If you are interested in such videos, support my channel by liking and subscribe. This is my new rubric, 3D modeling of real object. 3D artists have one problem: we work a lot with the computer, and glasses from company TIGN can help you to fix this problem. And you can find it really cool product in that. So link to this website in the description. I'm creating a new mesh as a cube. It's simple 3D model and I will show you in detail how to do it. I use hotkey to move, rotate and scale. Now I'm looking at the general of the mill and I need to repeat the proportion. And I create a loop. Shift-A cube. I'm using Array Modifier, it's very handy modifier. Imagine that you need to create not 2 such elements and 20. This modifier will help you do it quickly and easily. Apply modifier and I'm gonna use mirror modifier on exist Y. I'm gonna work with the roof, scale and extrude. Also I'm making extrude one element too. As you can see on my photo, I have small open room at the entrance to the mill. New mesh, it's cube. I do everything not according to drawing, but it turned out very similar. We have floor, roof and boards. It's the structures that hold this floor. We can see the number and I'm going to create this. Using this element I create the board for the steps, move and rotate. I set up the step by hand because this is an old mill. Using the modifier you set a certain distance, but remember that most likely this was done without it. And when they have different distance it looks better. And bevel my beam. Now it looks better. I deleted unnecessary edges, Shift D and move, hotkey G. Smooth, you can use auto smooth, you know. Add new vertex so that I can bend the beam itself. It makes our mill look like a real object. It would be better to use this method if you are creating a real scene. I copied this item and I will use it for handrail. you can copy the element and then use it in the scene, and in the end combine what you need into one object. But if you want to animate, you need to make sure that element you want to animate were separated element. Moving on to creating wind blades for the mill, I'm gonna use mirror modifier. I create new cube, I use mirror modifier on exist X. Move and scale. It's simple to do model, and you know I have to follow my reference. I will leave link to this reference in the description. Now I'm going to use array modifier. In top count 9 numbers, this number of elements. And I change the number of coordinates. It's simple and fast. You will like this modifier. I have never talked about this modifier before, but I like this one. We mirror our element just by going to the Modifier tab and select the mirror. We need to create and exist on which everything will be attached. This is the center from which will mirror our blades. In object mode, apply this mirror modifier. I wanna create one element, it's important. Let's see how it will work. It looks nice. Let's create new mirror modifier, and I select mirror on that exists. Apply modifier in object mode. We now need to properly combine these two elements, because there are actually two elements here, not four. I like it definitely. Also I have to create door, I will add details with texture, and now I use basic shapes. And I have to change my roof a little. Also at the end I will see what else I need to change. And I will do it. My windmill looks good, you can animate it and add cool texture. If you would like to see it in my video, then write in the comments and do not forget to like this video. Thank you for watching this video, I hope it was useful and interesting for you. See you in my new video, it was your favorite CG Bear channel.